How to make butter chicken. Gather and prepare your chicken. Dice up chicken into cubes. Spices are 1 teaspoon of sugar, garam masala, tumeric, salt, and pepper. Then add garlic and ginger. Next, add plain yogurt. Give it a good mix. Fry up the chicken. Take out the chicken before fully cooked. Slice up onion and fry in butter using the same pan of the chicken. Throw in the same spices used for the chicken. Add tomato paste. Add some yogurt. Mix it through. Then put the mix into a blender. Add the mix from the blender into the warm pan. Then add the chicken into the mix. Give it a good toss. Add in full cream. Top it off with some fresh coriander. All done. Enjoy!